Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to get admin commands in Steal A Brainrot in Roblox. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover the two different ways, so official paid way and the legit free method, so you can try. So stick around to the end so you don't miss out on anything here. So as you can see right now, I don't actually have admin commands in game, no special buttons, no powers yet. But now let's go step by step to talk about how you can actually get them. So now the official method is paid. So the first and most obvious way is through the in-game shop. So if you look on the left-hand side, we've got this purple shop button. Go ahead and click onto that and then scroll until you see the admin panel. So we can get admin commands, type CMDs in chat for a list of commands. So we go ahead and purchase that. So as you can see, it isn't free. It's going to cost a lot of Robux. Prices can change though, but right now it's around 7,500 Robux. If you buy it, you'll instantly unlock the admin panel button in-game, and from there you can use all the cool commands. Now let's go ahead and talk about the free way. So the first legit way, if you're a content creator, if you have a solid YouTube channel or TikTok account with good views, you can actually reach out to a Steal A Brainrot devs and ask them for temporary admin so you can make content. This helps them promote the game, so developers sometimes say yes to this. Now, another free way is by messaging the main developer. So if you're active in the community, sometimes they'll grant admin to trusted players or testers who've been playing for a while. It's not guaranteed, but being polite and respectful when you ask gives you a better chance. And now the third way is through special codes. So occasionally the devs release limited time codes on their Discord server or Twitter X. These codes can sometimes unlock admin commands temporarily. They're usually rare and expire fast, so make sure you're following their socials if you want a chance to grab one. So yeah, those are the three main ways how to get admin commands in Steal A Brainrot without paying Robux, plus the official Game Pass method. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.